A brisk wind of innovation rustles through the technology landscape, heralding the arrival of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Phantom Black Edition, bearing a 1 terabyte storage capacity and 12 gigabytes of RAM, is a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation. A device designed to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can accomplish. It's not just a phone, it's an ultra phone. Now imagine the thrill as you slide off the outer sleeve of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra box. There's a certain anticipation that builds, like the rising crescendo of an orchestra. You're greeted by the monolithically elegant device, draped in an alluring shade of phantom black. Its cool metallic touch sends a shiver of excitement racing through your fingertips. Peel away the protective film, and you'll uncover the expansive, dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display. It's a world of vibrant colors and sharp details ready to spring to life at your touch. The smartphone's camera module, a testament to Samsung's prowess in mobile photography, sits proudly at the back. A quartet of high-performance lenses ready to capture your world in breathtaking detail. Beneath the Galaxy S23 Ultra, nestled snugly in the box, you'll discover the accompanying accessories. A USB-C to USB-C cable, sleek and durable, ready to deliver rapid charging and high-speed data transfer. Next, the SIM card ejector tool, a tiny but vital instrument for accessing your smartphone's SIM tray. Delving deeper into the box, you'll find the AKG-tuned USB-C earphones. These aren't your run-of-the-mill earphones. These are a testament to AKG's audio prowess, designed to deliver a crisp, immersive audio experience. Lastly, the box yields the Quick Start Guide and the warranty card. The guide, a handy companion for your first steps with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The warranty card, your assurance of Samsung's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a journey, an experience that mirrors the innovation and attention to detail that Samsung has poured into this exceptional device. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Phantom Black is not just a smartphone, it's a statement of power, of elegance, of relentless innovation. It's the embodiment of Samsung's vision for the future of mobile technology, a vision that you now hold in your hands. So how do you feel about this journey through the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra? Do chime in with your thoughts and impressions. Your feedback fuels our commitment to bring you more such engaging content. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo.